A few moments later.
Alright guys, check it out. So she's all done, nice and shiny. I don't know if you guys can see. I apologize for the lighting, it is a little dark, but I mean, there she is, nice, clean, polished, free of dirt, dust, grime, rust. So anyways, I'm super happy how the restoration turned out. I didn't get all the scratches out on the outside. I did my best. I got some scratch remover, I buffed out as much as I could, and I'm satisfied. I mean, I'm satisfied with the results. It's not gonna come out perfect. I wish I could make it come out perfect like if it was brand new. Obviously with some paint and stuff like that, that could happen, but I didn't want to paint it because I kind of like, even though I don't, if you know or not, this actual cover is like a dark translucent, so if you paint it, obviously you'll get rid of the scratches, but you won't have that translucency. And I do have some future plans to add some LEDs on the inside, and I think it would be cool to be able to see it through this translucent top panel here. So I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna leave it as this for now. Like I said, you know, she got torn down, she got cleaned up really good, fresh thermal paste, and fans are clean. Everything is clean in there, and it's just running really good. As you can see, I have the menu up right here. I did do some testing just to make sure that everything was good. The Blu-ray drive got fixed, so I fixed that issue, and I apologize, I didn't get any footage of it. I thought I was recording, and I ran out of memory on my card, and I didn't even notice, so I apologize for that. But basically all it was stuck thinking that there was a disc inside when there wasn't. So All I did was open it, cleaned it up, reset it, and it worked perfectly fine. As you can see here, the front panel issue that I was talking about, that the eject button didn't work, that was just due because there was so much dust and dirt behind there that it wasn't making contact, and there was some rust on the pins on the inside there, which you saw a little bit of me sanding those down and cleaning those connections. So after that, everything worked just fine. As you can see, the menus run up and running, and so you can see that I'm not messing, or it's not some sort of trick, you know. It's working. I did have to update the system. It asked me for a bunch of different updates. It's been a while since the system has been updated, so went ahead and did that, and as you can see, it's working just fine. So I'm happy. It was a great experience, you know, opening this up and learning, you know, the internals of this PS3. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. So if you guys like this video, just like I enjoyed making it for you guys, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. You know, I am a small channel, so that would help me out tremendously. You know, like I said before, no sponsorships here. Everything is done out of my own pocket because I like doing this for you guys, so you guys can enjoy. And it's something that I enjoy doing as well, because I get to share my experiences and the things that I like to do with you guys, and that's something really cool. So like I said, if you guys like it, please leave me a like, you know, consider subscribing. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to see anything else, maybe game related, RC related, you know, drop me some ideas in the comments, and I'll make sure to consider those if I'm financially able to do it. You know, I'll try my best to, and we'll see what I can do. So, all right, guys, have a good one. Appreciate it. Be blessed. See ya.